Hello everybody, back in art and continuing our work with our printmaking. Last time we were looking at Indian textiles and talking about printmaking techniques. There are also other cultures and countries like in Japan that also use printmaking techniques on their own textiles, on their clothes. They've been doing this for hundreds of years. They've perfected the art of printmaking and using a variety of techniques to put this on their clothes. Well, what are we gonna do? I got my print here from last time, and what are we gonna do today with it? Today, I'm going to use a stencil, and I have a variety of stencils here for you to look at and choose. Now, once you choose your stencil, you're just going to outline it and then put it back in the basket so somebody else can use it. So I'm going to get started here and grab a marker. I got a variety here just to see which one works. Looks like this one works. I got a scrap piece of paper to check it. Okay, so I'm going to hold my stencil in place as I go around. Now I'm taking my time, but of course I fast forwarded the video. All right, putting this back. Yeah, thanks, I need to use it. So let me try using this marker to color in on my butterfly. I'm going to come up with a variety of different designs and see how they look. Just going to take my time coloring my design, trying to keep inside those lines. Maybe I'll switch it up to a different color. I'm going to add some more designs on my butterfly. I've learned so much about lines, so much about shapes. It's time to use what I've learned to create a more interesting design. What could I use to make this brighter, stand out more? I'm gonna use some oil pastels. Oil pastels, huh? Good idea. Thank you. Now I wanna stick with a color harmony. So I'm gonna try to find the colors that belong in the cool color harmony. Purple, blue, and green. So I'm gonna take my time coloring using these oil pastels. They get messy, so I have a paper towel nearby, and I'm just gonna work from top to bottom. Why? Why would I work from top to bottom? Any guesses? Well, oil pastels smear very easily. So you really have to be aware of how you're coloring and where your hands are so that your hands don't get really messy. Just gonna take my time here, doing the best job I can do. right. I'm gonna try to cover any last white spots. I tried to leave a little bit of red in there just to reveal my print from before. But other than that, I took my time and I did my best. And that's all that matters. One more thing, my artist signature and the date. What year is it? 2000 what? You write your name and the date. I can't wait to get a stencil and start mine. Have a nice time creating your design, class.